it's Maria with Wealth Creation, and let's do another definition video. I want to talk about the word fiat. So what is fiat currency? Well, first of all, fiat is not the same as, the Italian car, although you can use fiat to buy a fiat, so there's that. But fiat currency, or fiat money as some people say, is money that is issued by a government that doesn't have any kind of backing. In other words, it's not backed by gold or silver or some other type of physical commodity. It is just money because the government says it's money, and it could, in theory, go away and not be worth more than the paper it's written on. So that's what fiat is. And I looked up what the word, why do they call it fiat? What does that word mean? And it's a Latin word that's translated as "it shall be" or "let it be done." And that means that fiat currencies only have value because the government issuing that currency maintains that value. There's no actual value in the money itself. So that's where it comes from. So anyway, I just wanted to explain that because, we hear people talk about fiat currency as opposed to gold or silver or something like that. And sometimes people don't understand what it means. I didn't really understand what it means. I didn't really understand what it means before I looked it up. And so I just wanted to share that with you. So yeah, that's a definition of fiat, and I hope you found this helpful. Peace out, and here's to our success.